Hello you guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing something you guys did a little different. I'll be showing you a zippo lighter. But this is not just a normal zippo lighter of any plain background or skin. This is actually a Guy Harvey, sorry. Zippo lighter. This was given to me as a gift from my brother. He's very into the shirts. I've been looking up stuff, and I have not found anything except for prices. And places where you can find this is like the Guy Harvey website, the Amazon website. These are around $24 as I can see from all of them. Like if I look it up on the internet right now, I bet I will see like $24.99 or something like that. I tried to look up like the wiki event and tried to look up Zippo Lighters history event. This did not work out too well for me. Now let me take this out and show you in better showing, I guess. I don't know. Why is it not coming out? Okay. There's a lighter in all its glory with a dolphin in front of it. Okay, Zippo lighter from Guy Harvey. Oh man, my phone is such a pain. It's annoying. Let me just, while I'm waiting for my phone to load. Sorry. Let me just take 1 second. Wow. I just messed up so much. Okay. So this is the best deal I've seen so far. Let me just open this. Show you guys what the inside looks like. You know, it is a normal Zippo lighter. The inside, that's silver. Basically a normal Zippo lighter. Let me wait 1 second and I'll show you an ad on Amazon for it, and I'll also show you another lighter that is a Zippo one to compare it to. Here you go. Now this is just a plain Zippo lighter to compare it to. Plain silver one. It says Zippo on the back, like all Zippos do. Just get this into a nice shot. Made in the US, Zippo lighter. Oh, jeez. Okay. Zippo lighter. Bradford, PA, made in the US. Has a nice dolphin in front of it. As I was at, before I briefly cut out, I was comparing the two. Honestly, they didn't look too different. The only difference is the texture and the color. Because this one right here feels like a textured paint. This one right here feels like a metal. 1 second, let me just get up the Amazon post about it for selling it. Man, my phone is so slow. Why is that? What the heck? Show me. Oh my god. Jeez. Jesus. Okay. For some reason, I just can't find it. Okay, let me look for sale. So if you would like to buy it, please leave a like, comment, and please also subscribe, because I just started this YouTube channel and I'm quite enjoying it. I'm quite enjoying showing off my collection and stuff like that. I also love zippo lighters. Yeah, $24.50. Got it right here on my phone. I'm not only gonna shove my phone in front of you guys though. But hope you guys enjoyed, and have a nice day. Bye bye.